Okay, this is the final spin cycle. There's only 5 minutes left, and it's as if we're on an airplane.
Why is that? Do you want to take it? You can film it.
Because it kind of sounds like like that in the spin cycle. Anybody watching this video should come to the laundromat. To wash their clothes, because it can be kind of boring washing your clothes in a washer that doesn't have a window.
I don't have enough money for the dries.
And we are taking off. So I hope you've all enjoyed this wonderful washing machine bonanza. If you want to watch this washing machine bonanza at any time, you gotta look up Nick's phone. You gotta go on Nick's phone and look for all the videos. And then, it's only 2 minutes left.
Almost out of time.
And it's almost out of time.